Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a sugar-free and dairy-free PCOS friendly chocolate smoothie recipe ideal to include as a healthy breakfast in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. To make the smoothie, I have already soaked 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds overnight, 6 overnight soaked and peeled almonds. Soaking almonds overnight will help to release the phytic acid content in almonds and also help in better nutrient absorption. I have also overnight soaked 6 black raisins. I'll be using the raisins as sweetener in this recipe instead of dates. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in the overnight soaked pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of protein, healthy fats, omega-6. They are also a good source of zinc, iron, calcium, B2, folate, and beta-carotene. They are rich in magnesium and antioxidants. It's always ideal to soak the seeds overnight before consuming them for better nutrient absorption. Next, I'm adding in the overnight soaked and peeled almonds. Almonds are a good source of healthy fats. I'm adding in the overnight soaked black raisins. 1 cup or 1 glass of water. Today I'm using structured water. Structured water is nothing but water stored in a copper vessel. 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder. 1 medium-sized ripe banana. Roughly slicing the banana and adding into the blender. If you prefer a slightly thicker smoothie, you can use frozen banana. 1 tablespoon flax seeds for that extra omega-3s, fiber and protein. And now I'm going to blend this until everything is mixed and combined. Pour the blended smoothie onto a serving glass. I'm sprinkling in a teaspoon of raw cacao nibs for added flavor and crunch. Some sliced overnight soaked and peeled almonds. This is just to garnish, and some soaked pumpkin seeds. And my super healthy PCOS friendly smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy smoothie recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.